Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review about these two unlimited data plan system, which is US Mobile and Visible. So let's dive into it. US Mobile offer flexible unlimited plan with multiple network choices, including Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T. You can customize data, enjoy generous hotspot limit, and get international peak, making it a great option if you want control over your plan and premium features at a reasonable price. Visible, on the other hand, keep things simple with just two affordable unlimited plan on Verizon's network. You get truly unlimited data, talk, and text, plus unlimited hotspot usage through speed, though speed may be capped. It's ideal if you want a straightforward pricing without the complexity. So here's a very conclusion about the two platforms. So pick US Mobile for flexibility, extras, and network choice. On the other hand, you can choose Visible for simplicity, low cost, and reliable Verizon coverage. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.